Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top new collection motorcycle LED turn signal review 2025.
Number 4.
Features: 100% brand new and high quality. Low energy doesn't zap your power supply. Ultrasonic packaging, waterproof and durable. Suitable for straddling locomotives, motorcycles, electric cars.
Number 3.
Upgrade your motorcycle with these universal 12 volts LED turn signal lights, compatible with Honda CBR 500R AU650R, BMW R1-00GS, and Suzuki GSX 750. They offer bright visibility, energy efficiency, and easy installation, enhancing safety and style for a more confident, modern ride.
Number 2.
Day running light feature. In addition to signaling, these indicators double as day running lights, increasing your motorcycle's visibility during daylight hours. Durable construction. Constructed with high-quality materials, these turn signal indicators are built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Easy installation. These indicators come with a straightforward installation process, making them a convenient upgrade for any motorcycle.
Number 1.
Product sell points: universal compatibility, fits a wide range of motorcycles with 10mm mounting bolts, ensuring a seamless fit for various models. Super bright LEDs, equipped with high-power SMD LEDs, these turn signals emit a brighter light output for enhanced visibility. Water-resistant design, features a water-resistant mode, making it suitable for various weather conditions without compromising performance.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.